Okay, this is a 3-liter TDI engine out of a 2014 Touareg, so it is a CNRB engine code. It has the typical timing chain rattle on startup. This is what that looks like. See how that's completely loose? The tensioner is completely collapsed. It doesn't hold the oil inside of it, as well as that one. But here's what it looks like when you're barring the engine over as it's slapping back and forth. So now it's loose on this side because we've got, because you're going over cam lobes. And it's going to go loose again. Oh, I'm sorry guys. I'm just one person here. But that's what's making the rattling noise inside of there. And that squishing sound, that's the oil slipping out of each of these tensioners. So as far as I know, the updated ones should fix that issue.